Hey y'all, it's your girl Kanisha. I'm back with another video, nursing video this time. I want to give you all just a quick update of my first week of nursing school. Well, technically it's my second week, but the first week of lecture basically. So I left off with orientation, and orientation was basically just another review of what they did the first semester. We went over the expectations that they had for us. They gave us our syllabus and our outline for the class, and that was basically what orientation consists of. The first day of lecture was Monday. I think it was Monday. We went over admission, transfer, and discharge. That was basically common sense information, so I didn't take that to be overwhelming. Yeah, that wasn't too overwhelming. That was like common sense stuff. The next class was over the integumentary system. And y'all, when I say that it's so many skin lesions and skin disorders, like, it's crazy. We have to remember the skin disorders. We have to remember the lesions for the skin disorder. We have to remember the medications that go with each disorder. And like that whole lecture just made me like so overwhelmed. Like, it's so much stuff to try to remember for one test. And most likely she's not gonna ask us all the stuff that she's questioning us or having us study for this test. So I know I'm used to it because this is my second time going into the semester. So I don't know, it just seemed like I'm overwhelmed a little bit, and I'm trying to find different ways to study. Yeah, I've been trying to find different ways to study. So basically what I did was no, I don't have them here, but I made flashcards for each skin disorder, and I put like the nursing interventions, the medications, and stuff that you would do for that disorder. Basically, that's how I categorize the disorders by viral, bacterial, fungal, inflammation, stuff like that. So that's how I categorize them. That's how I'm studying for them right now. Yeah, we started on the information for the second test, and the second test will be including the sterile techniques. We went over hand hygiene. We went over sterile technique, how to put on your sterile gloves, and we went over elimination and catheter care. We have catheter check off on the February 3rd. So y'all, it's coming fast. Like, they switched a lot of stuff around, and we getting checked off earlier than this semester. I'm trying to make sure I remember to tell you all everything. Yeah, those are my first two tests, and what they're gonna be included, what's gonna be included on those tests. What else? We have hit the floor running, like she said. I'm trying not to get overwhelmed, and I'm trying to study every day, at least 2 or 3 hours a day. I haven't found a study partner yet. Yeah, I haven't found a study partner yet. Someone that's going to, study as much as I do. I think I'd be overstudying, but hey, I guess there's no such thing as it. It's like everybody else want to do something else or have something that's going on, and I just be wanting to study, get my boys out the way and our routine, then just go to studying. But I can't find anybody that's on that same routine as me. Hopefully before the middle of the semester that I will find somebody that would like to study as much as I do. And how I've been studying, what I've been doing to study, like I said, these lectures is listen to the lectures over and over, writing flashcards for the lecture that I'm listening to, and basically, like I said, listening and be able to repeat what she's saying before she says it. So that's how I know the information. I'm gonna be practicing on my catheter check off. I'm gonna try to show you all footage of us practicing. I think I got a footage of us putting on our gloves, so I'm going to insert a video of us putting on our sterile gloves. And I'm going to practice on my catheter sometime today or later on this week. And I'm going to, I guess, record myself practicing, and hopefully you all will tell me like what I'm doing wrong, how could I get better in my technique that I'll be doing. What else I want to talk about? This is basically my study habits and what's going to be on my first test in the first week of school. It's been going. We out Monday because of Martin Luther King Day, so that's another day to study. I had ATI assignments that I had done already. I have completed. I got those out the way. Those over like diabetic, the surgical. Basically, what we're going over in class, we have ATI. Yeah, so basically, what topic whatever we're going over in class, we have the our ATI books to relate to it, or I guess you could call it. I call it like a pre-test for the exam, because you're going over information that you're lecturing over. So I guess if you can pass the quiz, you should be able to pass the exams. Don't quote me on it, but yeah. I'm trying to learn also how to use the ATI resources some more. I'm gonna review the information for those this weekend. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna rewrite my flashcards today, and Sunday should be like a review, and Monday it's gonna be preparing for the next lecture. So y'all, yeah, it's just a quick update on the first week of school and what I have been going through and what I experienced so far. I see that I keep getting subscribers and people following my journey, and I'm so happy. But yeah, I'm excited about the subscribers and how I keep getting subscribers and how people is basically want to watch me. I'm just so happy that I'm either I'm trying to motivate somebody else, or either someone that say, hey, I'm not smart enough to go to nursing school, I don't have time to go to nursing school, or whatever your excuse may be. Hey, I understand, and I'm here, a living witness, to show you all that, hey, single mom, time management, working while in school, affording school, what else could I say? Just managing your time, being a mom and going to school at the same time, having resources to basically lean on for help. Like this channel is for all that. So if y'all have any questions of how I'm doing it, please just ask me questions, and I will try to answer them and give out resources that I'm using and all that. What's going on with my kids' daycare schedule? I still haven't found a daycare for them. That's the only thing really that's kind of just making my routine not stick, is finding a daycare for my kids. They're in two different areas in the town, and like where I'm from in the city. They go to school in two different areas. And then my son go to school downtown. It's like heavy traffic, so nobody really wants to take him. I have my vouchers turned on, but I can't find a daycare, which is a bummer. So that's where I'm stuck at, and still trying to find a daycare. But anyways, y'all, I'll make another video about that if you all want me to go into detail and how I go into my routine and what I do. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Please hit that bell so y'all know when I go live.